Hey, what is going on, guys? So today is a very good day because we're actually gonna be getting rid of this grill and these headlights. Look how bad they are, guys. It even has something so yeah, it's a good day because check it out. Check it out. I got the I don't know what's it called, the 2500 grill and some headlights and some LEDs. But yeah, we're gonna change everything. Hopefully the grill fits, cause I mean I don't have the other bumper, so hopefully it fits. I already measured it and 12 inches both. So yeah, hopefully it fits, guys. All right, guys. So we're just gonna take this off, and this is gonna be the last one of it, so we can take this off and get under the grill. You know what I'm saying, dog? But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. All right, guys. So we just took out the grill. Y está bien feo. Como está amarrado todo zip tight. No manches. Así no andaba riding. Pero pues ya que I already knew I was gonna change them, so I didn't care, that's why. But yeah, hopefully the grill fits. I'm gonna take out the lights first. Y luego pues ya vemos. So. All right, so we already took out the headlights and the grill, everything. And well, I noticed that one of my listas hyper flash, and I think it's because of this. I'm gonna go ahead and check if this one works. Hopefully it's, you know what I'm saying, dog? See, it's hyper flashing, and it is that one. So we're gonna try to fix it. I'm gonna go ahead and solder it. Hey, what is going on, guys? So we got the headlights on. Now it's time for the grill. That light, I didn't got it to work. Both sides don't work anymore. I don't know what that's like for though. So yeah, hey, what is going on, guys? So we actually just finished putting the grill. It actually fit. We had to take off these little bumps so the grill can actually snuggle in from the bottom, but that's about it. And well, these are the headlights I used to have. So yeah, the grill, the normal grill, we took off the emblem. I didn't get a new one because I'm poor. But here's the final look. It looks pretty awesome. I saved this for you guys so you can see. I saved all of them. Oh, no manches, sí le está quedando feo. Todo por cerrárselo a ustedes, But goddamn, son. Goddamn, son. I'm gonna go ahead and close the hood. You already done? Alright. I don't know. Se mira con madre, pero it does have small details. Like, I don't know what's this. But overall, I really like it. It's coming out sick, not even gonna lie. Well, stay tuned, guys, because next mods are probably gonna be a drop. I'm gonna probably drop it within the next month or next month. Within 2 months, hopefully, for Freddy's shootout, Project Torch shootout. You already know. Well, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, because there are a lot of mods coming to this truck eventually, but it's gonna take long. But hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. Catch you guys in the next one.